144Hz curved AMOLED display, Dimensity 8020 chipset, 108 megapixel triple camera setup, and all of these for a starting price of only around 21,999. Infinix has just dropped their flagship level phone, the all new 030 5G 2023 edition, and today in the house we already got the phone, guys, and this is what we'll be checking out. It's got some killer specs and configuration for the price point. Looks like a total paisa vasool item, guys, so I am like very excited to unbox and talk about this phone in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Infinix 030 5G came in this sort of box packaging. Neat packaging, I'd say, and look at this. You have the Infinix branding, mentions all of its main highlights on the front side. We'll anyhow talk about the specs and configuration in a moment. And by the way, this phone is available in like two configurations. You get like 8 plus 256GB and 12 plus 256GB edition. Today in the house, we have the top end variant which features 12 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM with up to 256GB of onboard storage. And it's also available in three different colors. We have the Rome green edition that actually has like vegan leather at the back side. You'll get to see that in this video. At the back, you can check out all of its main highlights and specifications. I've told you, right, it features like a 6.78 inch 1080p curved AMOLED 144Hz display. So display is like quite special over here, and not to miss out both the cameras, the front and back, they're quite special, guys. We'll talk about all of these features in this video. As soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Infinix 030 5G smartphone in the hand. Oh wow. We'll just get back to this in a moment. Along with that, in the package, you also get a free screen guard for the phone. Very nice. Thank you, Infinix, for this. Keeping all these documents aside, there you go. You're also getting a free clear case with the phone. So screen guard and case are both included. Don't need to buy anything separately. Plus, you're getting a 68 watt PD 3.0 fast charger and a Type-C cable for charging. That's it. These are all the accessories. Now, let's finally get our hands on this brand new flagship level phone from the company and actually talk about the design and in-hand feel. And initial impressions, boy, Rome green edition of the 030 actually looks beautiful. I mean, look at the whole color scheme, the design definitely justifies the price tag and looks quite premium in the hand. So first of all, let me give you like a walk around. On the front, main highlight is that 6.78 inch Full HD plus 144Hz curved AMOLED display. So this is like a segment first feature, guys. You'll have to hand it out to Infinix over here. Anyways, going to the top side here, you're getting a 50 megapixel autofocus selfie camera with a Sony sensor on board and a tiny earpiece just above that. And good thing is the front panel is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. So this is the vegan leather edition, right? In the other color variants, you're getting a glass back, and that also has like Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Going to the side profile over here, you can check out the power button, volume rocker is there, and quality of the buttons is pretty good. At the top over here, you're getting a secondary microphone for noise cancellation and your stereo speaker. And also look at this finishing over here. Nice brushed metallic sort of feel. There is nothing on the left side profile if you check out. And on the bottom is where you've got the remaining connectivity ports, which include your SIM card tray. It supports dual 5G nano SIMs. There is no micro SD card slot. The phone supports up to like 14 bands of 5G. So phone actually has like dual stereo speakers powered by DTS, and also high-res audio support is there. And here's how the back profile of the phone looks like, the 030 2023. And my god, Rome green looks very nice and beautiful. It has this nice vegan leather sort of texture that feels, kind of soft when you're actually touching it. And good thing is it doesn't attract any sort of fingerprints over here. If you talk about the color, right, it actually looks like pista green sort of finishing with gold accents here and there. I would highly recommend you to use the phone with a case because I'm not sure if it will attract dirt over time, so better to use it with that clear case provided. Going to the top side, I've told you, right, you're getting a triple camera setup. Primary one is a 108 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and is capable of shooting up to 4K 60 on both front and back cameras. Secondary one is a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle, and the third one is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. If you talk about the overall thickness, phone is quite slim. It's only around like 7.9 mm and it roughly weighs around like 185 grams. And the whole thing is powered by a 5000 milliampere battery. So that was our complete walk around of the phone. Let me quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. It's been some time. I've been using the 030 5G and there is a lot I'll have to talk about in this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, talking about the extra features, obviously you're getting an AMOLED display on board, so yes, you do have always on display support. And guess what? It's fully customizable. Plenty of themes are available. You can change the pictures, the clock styles and plenty of stuff. And not to miss out, phone features an in-display fingerprint scanner, and let's quickly put that to a test. Hey, not bad. You people seen that? Fingerprint reader on board was doing a good job. It was accurate and quickly unlocking the phone, especially in this price point. No complaints over there. And anyways, here's how the home screen and display on the phone looks like. And my god, I have to say, Infinix has done a really good job with the display. Especially, man, look at the curve over here. I love this 3D slope that you're getting on the display. And AMOLED display on this phone looks pretty attractive, guys. And also not to miss out those bezels. Bezels are super slim and uniform on all the four sides. Quite attractive looking phone with a punch hole camera at the top side. Anyhow, we'll get there and talk about the display in a moment. First of all, let's talk about the software, built-in apps and features. So just like all the other Infinix phones, here also you're getting like Android version 13 out of the box with their XOS 13 skin running on top of it. Here's how the whole UI looks like. Very clean UI, I'd say, and also navigation, transition. The whole animations feel quite fluidic over here thanks to that higher refresh rate, 144 Hz panel on board. Let me quickly open up the settings and talk about the specs and configuration. I've told you right, ours is the top end variant, features 12 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of onboard storage. RAM on board is LPDDR4X, and yes, you can expand the RAM using virtual memory fusion function name up to 9 GB. Totally you can expect up to like 21 gigs of RAM on this phone. Coming to the storage part, out of 256 GB, I think 35 GB has been used because I've already installed a couple of apps and games. Still plenty of storage, guys. Almost 215 to 220 GB of free space is available. Not an issue at all. Coming to the personalization part, you can do plenty of stuff over here, like apply variety of wallpapers, magazine lock screens, live wallpapers are also included over here. And moving on to the display settings, here you can activate high brightness mode, change the refresh rate. You can go from 60 Hz to all the way up to 144 Hz, and an auto switch mode is also available. So that was basically it about the phone, guys, software and stuff. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over here, just have a look at these demos, and then we'll come back and talk about the display and speaker quality on the 030 5G. You people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And first of all, talking about the specs, phone packs a 6.78-inch 1080p resolution curved AMOLED display with a 144 Hz high refresh rate, and not to miss out, it supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It's a top-notch display, guys. Infinix has not compromised anything on their premium flagship phone, and let me tell you, display quality is fabulous. Like, it's an AMOLED panel, there's nothing less you can expect over here. Great amount of detail, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be on YouTube, OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, you'll be like fully satisfied. And best part is the phone also supports widevine L1 as well, so you can fully enjoy your OTT experience to the max on both Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. Talking about the colors, now it's an AMOLED panel, right? Colors just pop out on the screen. It supports up to 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and colors look vivid and super rich. Talking about the contrast levels, near to infinite contrast ratio and deep black levels, all thanks to that AMOLED panel, and viewing angles are also great. Coming to the brightness, brightness of the display is also really good. It can go almost up to like 950 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations, even outdoors as well. Overall na, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display that you're getting over here. And coming to the audio part, I've told you right, it packs stereo speakers, one at the top and one on the bottom, and they're powered by DTS, and high-res audio support is also there. And audio quality on these stereo speakers is pretty good amount of clarity. Vocals had a nice mellow and warm feel to them, and had a little bit of bass as well. Overall audio quality was also like quite satisfactory, and it's like a total entertainment package for the price that you're paying. Moving on, let's talk about the actual performance. First of all, this phone is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8020 chipset. It's a 6nm octa-core CPU and is a very well performing chipset for this price point. On a day-to-day based usage, I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters on this phone. You can see it in the video. The whole navigation, transition, opening and closing of apps, everything feels like muska on this phone. Added to that, you're also getting like 144Hz high refresh rate, right? The content just glides over here, guys. You'll have like a great fluidic experience on the 035G. If you talk about the gaming part, yes, you can do some really good gaming as well. You can easily play all your favorite games like Asphalt 9, BGMI as well. BGMI, I'll give you a short demo of gameplay as well, just to give you like a rough idea, right? Dimensity 8020 performs better than Snapdragon 778G, but slightly falls behind the Snapdragon 870. So it's somewhere in between that kind of performance you can expect on this phone over here. Let me also give you like a quick gaming demo as well. I've booted up BGMI and going to the graphics settings. Right now you can play this game over here at HDR graphics, and the frame rate max it supports is Ultra. Ultra is around like 45 FPS. So these sort of settings you can easily play the game. If you want like a smooth 60 FPS, simply go to the smooth settings, and now you can access extreme frame rate, which is around 60. So with these sort of settings, the phone can easily handle and run BGMI, no sweat at all. Anyways, as I've told you, this is not like a full-on dedicated gaming review session. I'll keep that for a second part. In that video, right, we'll go in detail and check out the gaming review as well, like talk about the thermals, vapor chamber performance. We'll also play a couple of games. You people let me know like what sort of games I should try it out on this phone in the comment section down below. This is more like an unboxing and initial impressions kind of stuff. We're almost coming to an end, so let me quickly open up the camera app and show you how the UI looks like. Pretty similar interface, guys, just like how you would see on Infinix other phones. Very clean layout, I'd say. Plenty of modes are there, zero shutter lag as well. I actually shot like a couple of sample pictures using this phone. I'll just quickly show them to you. Have a look at them. You'll get better idea on the camera quality as well as the sensor quality on this phone. Here's a quick video sample on the front 50 megapixel camera on the 035G. Best part is it's capable of shooting videos up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. Just have a look at this demo, you'll get an idea on the image quality, the sharpness, detail, and also the colors. So one thing you'll have to keep in mind is there is no optical image stabilization over here on the front camera, but you do have EIS support. So simply put it on a gimbal and you're all set, guys. But good thing is you do have like OIS plus EIS and the rear primary camera. So it's like pretty good for vloggers, I believe, and you're also getting like autofocus support, right? Let's also quickly put that to a test. Well, that's it. That was our full-on unboxing and initial impressions on the Infinix 035G 2023. I'll be using this phone for a couple of days, and I'll be making like a separate dedicated review video. In that video, we'll be going in depth and talking about the gaming performance, how the thermals after playing for like a couple of hours, and also talk about the camera quality as well. Apart from this, if you people also have like any other questions or doubts regarding this model, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to cover that. And not to miss out, we'll also cover the battery life also in that video. Talking about the price, you're getting two variants of this model. One is 8 plus 256 and the other one is 12 plus 256. The 8 plus 256 GB variant costs around like 23,999 rupees, but with a special bank discount offer of around like 2,000 rupees, the effective pricing is only around like 21,999 rupees. And the top end variant costs around like 24,999. With the bank offer, effective pricing is only 22,999. Links for these will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got like full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.